Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening the terminal and getting the right privileges. First, open Terminal Now and escalate with sudo su or sudo I so you can run system commands. Once done, run apt update to refresh package lists. This ensures you download current software. Make sure your network is active before updating, because missing connectivity causes errors. You need root for many tools in Kali, so this step saves trouble later while remaining cautious about commands you execute. Now you navigate and manage files efficiently. Use pwd to confirm location, ls list contents, and cd with tab completion to move quickly. This avoids typos. For configuration edits, choose nano for simplicity or vim if you prefer. Use to overwrite or to append, redirection is powerful but careful. Next, install tools with apt install package name and verify installations with which toolname and toolname version. These steps build a predictable workflow so your environment stays consistent. Finally, you execute tasks and confirm results. Chain commands with and so later steps run only if earlier succeed. Use NoHup or screen to keep long jobs alive after logout. Once a task runs, monitor logs with journoctal z or tail f/var/log/syslog to spot errors immediately. If a package install fails, run apt fix broken install or dpkg configure to recover. Troubleshooting tip: if a command hangs, press Ctrl+C to stop, then review logs before retrying to avoid repeating errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.